3. Today we will start the new chapter in maths, chapter 8, fractions. So children, let me clear you what is fraction. Okay? So, when an object is divided into same equal parts and only some or all of them are taken, such numbers are called fractions. Is that clear? Or we can say fractions is the part of a whole. Is that clear? Or we can say fractions is the part of whole. Understood? Now half. Now half. When an object is cut in middle and divided into two equal parts, okay, each part is called half. Understood? For example, if you take one apple, understood, and we cut this apple in middle. Is that clear? And this one part is called half and this another part is called half. Understood? It is divided into equal parts. Half. Is that clear? So, we can write this 1 by 2 or we can read as 1 by 2. This is called a half. Understood, children? So, next one is quarter. Now quarter. Let me clear it what is quarter. Okay? When an object is divided into 4 equal parts. Understood? When an object is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called quarter. For example, look here. This is an object. Okay? When this we divide into 4 equal parts, understood? And each part is called quarter. Is that clear? Or we can written as 1 by 4 or read as 1 by 4. Is that clear, children? So, let us shade 1/4 of the following figures. Okay? So, this is square. Okay? So, let us shade 1/4 of this figure. One-fourth means we have to shade one part of these 4 parts. Okay? Is that clear? This is 1/4. That means we have shaded one part of these 4 equal parts. Understood? So, it is called 1/4 of the figure. Is that clear, children? So, next one. So, next one is 2/4. 2/4. Now, when a part of an object is divided into 4 parts, okay? And 2 parts are shaded. This is called 2/4 of an object. Understood? For example, this is a figure. Okay? Now, it clear? So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. So we have to shade it 2 parts. Understood? Like this we have to shade it 2 parts. Okay. So these 4 parts are equally divided. Understood? So these 2 parts are shaded. We can written as 2 by 4 or we can read as 2 by 4. Is that clear? 2 by 4 means the total number of parts is 4 parts of this figure. Okay. So 2 part is shaded. So we can write 2 by 4. This is a fraction. Is that clear? So children, so next one is three by 3/4. Understood? Understood? 3/4 means when an object is divided into 4 parts and 3 parts are shaded, we can written as 3 by 4. So this is a figure Understood? This is a figure. So 3/4 means the total equal parts are 4 parts are there. Okay. So we have to shade 3 parts. Okay. We have to shade 3 parts of these 4 parts. Like this. Understood? So we can written as 3 by 4 or read as 3 by 4. Understood? 3/4 means the total parts are 4 parts are there. So 3 parts are shaded or 3 parts equal parts are taken. This is called 3/4 or 3/4 is a fraction of this figure. Is that clear, children? So again I am saying we can say fraction is a part of a whole. Understood? So it is denoted. So the fraction is denoted by numerator and denominator. Understood, children? So fraction is denoted by numerator and denominator. So children, let me clear you what is numerator and what is denominator. So look at the fraction here. This is, suppose this is fraction, 3 by 4 is a fraction. Understood? So can you tell me which one is numerator and which one is denominator? Yes. Now look here. This is 3. This number is 3. Understood? The number. So look it carefully. Okay. The number which is above the line. Understood? The number which is above the line is 3. Isn't it? This is called numerator. Understood? The number which is above the line is called numerator. Is that clear? So children, denominator. The number which is below the line. Understood? The number which is below the line is called denominator. Understood? The number which is below the line is called denominator. Is that clear? So children, this line, okay, what do we call this line? This line is called division bar. Okay, this is called division bar, or we can say fraction bar or fraction bar. Understood children? Again, now look here. This 3 is called numerator. It is above this bar. Okay? The number 4 is called denominator because it is below the bar. Understood? And this line is called division bar or a fraction bar. Is that clear children? Understood? So, next one is let's do some exercise now. See exercise 1 now. Color the half parts of the following shape. Okay. Now it is there in your book, page number 111. So the figure is square. Okay. So half, I already told you what is half. Half means the equal parts of the figure, isn't it? So we have to shade half of this following figure. You know how to do? Okay, look here. We have to shade half means this half, one part. Okay, you have to shade this half part of the following this figure. Understood? Now rest you do yourself. Understood? Now see next one, exercise 2. Here write the fraction for each colored part. So in your book it is there in page number 112. You have to write the fraction of each colored part. See number A and B I will do for you, and rest of the others you do yourself. Understood? Now see number A. This is a rectangle. Okay. Now here are 3 equal parts. It's divided into 3 equal parts. Understood? So here question is write the fraction for each colored part. So here one part is colored or shaded. Okay children? One part is shaded. So you have to write the fraction. So how will you write this in fraction? So see here, how many parts are there? Total equal parts? 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So write 3 here in denominator. Is that clear? So how many parts are shaded? 1. One part is shaded or colored, isn't it? So you write here 1. Understood? So this is the fraction of this figure. Understood? Now see next one. Number B. Now in this figure, 2 parts are equally divided. Okay? So here one part is shaded. Understood? One part is shaded or colored. So you have to write the fraction of this figure. So how will you write? See here. How many total equal parts are there? 2. 1, 2. Okay? Write 2 at the denominator. And how many parts are shaded? 1. Isn't it? One part is colored. So write here 1. It is in numerator. Understood? So the fraction is 1 by 2. Got it? Similarly, we can do the next exercise. part. It is there in your book, page number 130. So look it carefully, children. Okay. Now here number A and B. I will do the same thing. Rest of the other you will do with your own. Understood? Now see the first one. A. This is a figure. Okay, there are how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts are there. Okay, so four equal parts are here and 2 parts are shaded. 2 equal parts are shaded. Understood? So, you have to write the fraction of this shaded part. Now, how will you write? I have told you total parts are, how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, 4. Understood? So, how many parts are colored? 1, 2. So, right here, 2. This is 2 by 4 is a fraction of this figure. Understood? Similarly, the next one, number B. This is a rectangle. Okay. Here, how many parts are here? 4 equal parts. It's divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now, here how many parts are shaded? In this figure, 3 parts are shaded or colored. Okay. Understood? In this figure, 3 parts are shaded or colored. So, you have to write a fraction of this figure. So, how will you write? Look here. How many total equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, write here 4. And how many parts are shaded? Colored? 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. So, the 3 by 4 is the fraction of this figure. Understood? Now, similarly, we will do exercise 4. Understood? It is there in your book, page number 114. Now, here see, fill in the blanks is there. Now, there is a circle, number A. There is a circle. Okay. Now, the circle is divided into 5 equal parts. It is divided into 5 equal parts. Understood? So, one part is shaded. Now, the question is, how many equal parts? So, here, how many equal parts are there in this circle? Equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? 5 equal parts. Now, how many colored part now? Colored part? How many parts are colored? 1. Isn't it? Now, next question is fraction. Now, what will be the fraction of this figure? What will be the fraction? 1 by 5. Understood? This will be the fraction. So, this way you have to do it in your book. Number B, you have to do yourself. Similarly, next, number 2, write what fraction is colored. See here, number A, I will do. This is a rectangle. Okay. 5 parts are there. are there. So 2 parts are shaded. Understood? So the 2 parts are shaded. So you have to write the fraction of this figure. So see here how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Now how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. 2 by 5. 2 by 5. This is the fraction. So you have to do this. Rest of the others you have to do it in your book. Understood? So children, I hope you have understood the chapter fraction. This much for today.